Hey guys, so on to our assignment. As we look at the Unit 5 Lesson 3 Literature assignment, you will notice that we have some vocabulary words here. These words will help you throughout the poem. Let's go ahead and take a look at our prompt for today. We are looking at Odyssey Book 6, lines 115 to 148. We will be annotating and discussing the prompt. What decisions does Odysseus make and why? Remembering that we will be looking at how to respond to this for our exit ticket. You will be underlining and commenting on the details that show what Odysseus thinks and does and why. We will then be looking at to label and explain Odysseus equals blank. And we will be filling that in right here as we read each section of the poem. So you're going to do this the exact same way we did yesterday's lesson, where you will be underlining and annotating with our comment tool. We have some back pocket questions to help us respond to what Odysseus does and thinks. And then over here for our evidence, you're going to copy the line from our poem that you would use to support your belief. So we have our section 1, we have section 2, and then the final section, reading, annotating, and then responding to this question. So let's go back and take a look at our first section. Before I get started though, I want to give you some context. Remember that this epic poem is a very long poem, so we're only looking at pieces of this poem. And I'm going to fill you in on a few things before we get started. We know that Odysseus just landed on the island. He fell asleep, exhausted. He's about to wake up because he hears a group of young women playing with a ball. He's sore and tired and looks dreadful. Yet he knows that if he doesn't get help, he's going to die. And so this portion of the story tells us what he does and says and what he's thinking about how he's going to get this help that he needs. Okay, so again, make sure you're annotating. I should see all of your comments over here on the right-hand side. And if you click on the next slide, you can listen to me read the poem to you. Okay, guys, I'll see you back in a few minutes. Bye.